Hi everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for June 2020. If you're listening to this during the COVID-19 global pandemic, many countries around the world are beginning to reopen after this multi-month lockdown, thankfully. So before we totally digress and fall back into our pre-COVID selves, I have a few questions I'd like you to ponder. What have you learned about yourself during this time? Were you able to experience any solitude? What questions did you ask of yourself and your world? What would you like to change? What would you like to upgrade? And do you have a plan for executing those changes? Regardless of when you're listening to this session, the questions I've posed are perpetually relevant. This month's code is about rebooting our energy, rebooting our creativity, rebooting our level of intuition, rebooting our communication skills, rebooting our personal wisdom and bravery, and rebooting our relationships with the people around us and the world at large. So here we go. Here's the request. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will reboot our energy, creativity, intuition, communication skills, and personal wisdom while balancing our relationships with other people and ourselves? And the code that came up is from the Anahata Codes, and it is the astrological sign of Aries. So what do we know about Aries? Those born under the sign of Aries are known for courage, risk-taking, being self-assured, jumping into situations without hesitation, being energetic and commanding, and will always choose to exist how they are, without concern for other people's opinions. Now, I don't know about you, but I want some of that. And this code will assist in boosting and balancing our Ariesness. So here we go. Let's install this code and align with the energy of Aries. Okay, first thing we're going to do is ground. If you know how to ground, go ahead and ground. If you don't know how to ground, you can put your attention on the base of your spine, down by your tailbone. There's a little energy center down there called the first chakra. It's what roots us into the planet and into our tribe. It's the center of our survival skills. Okay? It's really important. So, with your attention on the base of your spine, go ahead and drop a cord or wire or cable or waterfall from the base of your spine down to the center of the earth and plug it in securely. And then from the base of your spine, I'd like you to create a switch that says release. And turn the switch to the on position. And command that switch and your grounding cord to release from your space everything that is not yours or no longer serves you. Everything that's not yours or no longer serves you. And just notice if there's a flow from the base of your spine down your grounding cord. If you're not noticing it, that's okay. Go ahead and come up to the center of your head. We're going to work from the center of our head. That's the space behind your eyes, between your ears. Create a nice comfortable space in there. Put a chair, couch, lounge, swimming pool, whatever you like that makes you feel comfortable, cozy, safe, and in control, in charge. You're the boss here, nobody else, just you. And be in the center of your head. And breathe. And now right-handers, left-handers. We have a position that we take when we install a code, which helps your body to get involved in the process and also strengthens the way that you view the energy coming in. So right-handers, dominant hand, right hand on your heart chakra, that's the center of your chest. Left hand is going to be your receiving hand, your antenna hand. So kind of put it up like an antenna. Left-handers, switch it up. Your left hand is your delivery hand into your heart chakra, and your right hand becomes your antenna hand. This is where the code is going to come in. Now, as I read off the code, I'd like you to follow along and imagine that code, that chunk of numbers, coming into your antenna hand, down your arm, across your shoulders, down your other arm, and into your delivery hand, into your heart chakra, where your body can then accept that code coming into your energetic space, distribute it and swirl it through your space and out into that electromagnetic field that we call the aura. And then go ahead and you command your space. You set the intention by commanding that that code will swirl around that space, through your body, through your aura, and align with your version of that code. And what that's going to do is that's going to help your version of the code boost up and get strong in your space. So here we go. Make sure you're in the center of your head. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for Aries. 52983-642. 52983-642. 52983-642. 52983-642. 52983-642. 52983-642. One more. 52983-642. And close up the installation by putting both hands on the heart chakra and be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Ooh, that was cool. I hope you felt something. That was really cool on my end here. To better understand what's going on with these codes, I encourage you to watch my February 2019 monthly presentation, How the Codes Work, right here on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. It really helps. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com Code Carriers Facebook group for even more codes. I post them weekly, and I have special codes that come up as holidays and birthdays and special events hit the calendar. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's code. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.